Hi everyone, welcome to the last phonics lesson of the week. So hopefully by now you know how it goes. When you see the sound, say it. O, A, I, R, O, U, O, E, Ow, E, Oi, A, O. Well done if you got all of those right. Today we're going to learn a new sound, and that sound is nurse with a purse. So I'm going to say that sound one more time, and then you can repeat it after me. Well done. And I'm going to do the same with our little rhyme to remember us. Nurse with a purse. Your turn. Well done. Nurse with a purse. Well done. So your next job is to have a look at the slides coming up. And if you see the sound, you're going to say it, which is well done. And if you see the picture of our nurse, you're going to say nurse with a purse. So keep your eyes peeled, get ready. Nurse with a purse. Nurse with a purse. Nurse with a purse. Well done if you managed to get all of those right too. So the next job that we have is to go on our sound hunt. So you're going to see a list of sounds now that we already know. And when you see the sound that we're learning today, which is that's right. So when you see our sound you're going to say, that's the sound we're looking for. So get yourselves ready. O, A, that's the sound we're looking for. Well done if you spotted it. Let's try again. I, R, U, O, That's the sound we're looking for. Well done if you spotted it. Let's go again. O, E, That's the sound we're looking for. Well done. One more time. E, Ow, A, Oi, O, That's the sound we're looking for. You're right. Well done. So now that we can say the sound, we need to be able to write our sound. And as you can see, the sound is made up of an O and a and they are both small letters. So both my O and my should be the same size. I don't have any tall letters or any long letters. So if you watch my mouse, I will show you how to write the sound. Get ready to write nurse with a purse. Okay, we're going to do that one more time, and this time you can follow along with your imaginary pencil in the air. So let's get ready. And 3, 2, 1. Get ready to write nurse with a purse. Fabulous. Now might be a good time to pause the video, have a go at writing your sounds, either on a piece of paper or on a whiteboard, whatever you have in front of you, and then take a picture of it and send it to your class email account when you have finished. When you've finished, you can play the video again. Fabulous. I'm really looking forward to seeing all your beautiful handwriting. Let's move on. So the next job is to write some words that use the sound. And the first word that you're going to write, so make sure your thread fingers are ready to count your sounds, is burn. Like if you touch something hot, you might burn yourself. Burn. How many sounds? And when you count them, write it on your whiteboard. Maybe even add your sound buttons on as well. Are you ready? Let's go through then. Did you write this? Well done if you did. Let's Fred talk that word together then. Burn. Well done. Get those Fred fingers ready for another word. This time it's turn. As in turn around. Turn. Remember when you counted those sounds on your Fred finger, write it on your whiteboard or your piece of paper and add your sound buttons too. Turn. Are you ready? Let's see then. Did you write this? Well done if you did. Let's Fred talk this word together then. Turn. Fabulous. Remember, if you make any mistakes, that's absolutely fine. Just make your corrections as you go along. Get those Fred fingers ready for another word then. This time we're going to do lurk. Lurk. That means if you're hanging around somewhere and you're trying not to be noticed, lurking. Remember when you counted the sounds in lurk, write it down. Are you ready? Let's have a look. Is this what you wrote? Fantastic if you did. Let's Fred talk this word together then. Lurk. Fabulous. Get those Fred fingers ready for another word. This time it's hurl. Hurl. That's like if you throw something. Hurl. Remember when you've counted the sounds on your Fred fingers, write it down and add your sound buttons on there too. Are you ready to check your answer? Did you write this? Well done if you did. Let's Fred talk this together then. Hurl. Fantastic. We've got one final word and I think you might like this one because it's a bit silly. We're going to do the word burp. Burp. So count how many sounds are in the word burp. When you've finished, write it down on whatever it is that you're using to write. Are you ready to check your answer? Super duper. Is this what you wrote? Burp. Well done if you spelt it correctly. Let's Fred talk this word together then. Burp. Super duper. Remember, it's okay if you make some mistakes. Just correct your work as you go along. You can pause the video at any time if you need a little bit more time. If you're ready to move on, let's go on to some reading. So this time we need to find the sound in our words and then sound each letter or sound out to blend it together to read the word. So in our first word, where is the sound? That's right, it's here. Super. So now that we found our sound, let's Fred talk the word. Slurp. Well done. Right, let's try that next word then. Where is the sound in our second word? Well done for spotting it. It's right here. Excellent. So now we found our sound. Let's sound the word out together. Now remember, sometimes we can have a silent E on the end of words, but that just keeps that as a S sound. So let's try that again. Nerves. Well done. And you might notice that our next word is in a similar pattern. So that S and E together just make the one sound. So let's sound this word out. Purse. Fabulous. What about our fourth word? Where is the sound in the fourth word? Lovely. It's here. Well done. So let's sound that out together. hurt. Oh, and a very similar word here. Where's our sound? That's right, it's here. So let's sound this word out now. Curt. And that means if you maybe say something in a slightly rude way, you would be curt. You don't want to be curt in our school. Well done, super reading. Obviously, we can't forget our alien words. So let's sound these words out together. Let's go. Kerm. Is that a real word? No, so we can say, what a load of nonsense. Let's try that again for our second word. Grup. What a load of nonsense. That's not a real word. And last word, verl. Is that a real word? No. What a load of nonsense. Super duper. Well done on your sound. Let's see if you can put that into practice in today's challenge then. So the sound in set 2 is whirl and twirl. And you might notice that it's spelt with an I and a But the set 3 sound that we've been learning today, nurse with a purse, is an U and a So on this page, you've got a selection of words. And what I'd like you to do is make a list. I'd like you to make a list of the words that use the whirl and twirl sound, and another list of the words that use the nurse with a purse sound. And if you would like to challenge yourself, can you think of your own words that are not on the list and add them to the right column? So here are the words. Might be a good idea to pause the screen and have a go at your activity. And I'm really looking forward to seeing all the work that you send in. So well done on another week of online learning. We'll see you again next week. Bye everyone.